Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your sewing machine. First, find a sturdy, well-lit area for your machine. Next, connect the power cord firmly to both the machine and a wall outlet. Don't forget to attach the foot pedal and place it where you can easily reach it with your foot. These initial steps ensure a safe and comfortable sewing experience. Now, let's wind your bobbin. Start by placing your thread spool on the spool pin. Guide the thread through the designated bobbin winding tension disc to ensure even tension. Wrap the thread around an empty bobbin approximately 5 to 10 times. Then, push the bobbin winder into position and gently press the foot pedal until the bobbin is full. This creates a perfectly wound bobbin for your projects. Next, we'll thread the upper part of your machine. Place your thread spool on the spool pin, just as you did for the bobbin. Carefully follow the numbered guides on your machine, ensuring the thread passes through each point. Make sure the thread goes through the T-cup lever, which moves up and down. Finally, thread the needle from the front to the back. This precise path is crucial for proper stitching. Our final steps involve inserting the bobbin and performing a test stitch. Place your wound bobbin into its case, ensuring the thread unwinds in the correct direction. Pull the bobbin thread through the small tension spring. Then, hold the upper thread and turn the handwheel to bring the bobbin thread up through the needle plate. Finally, sew a test stitch on a scrap of fabric to check your tension. You are now ready to sew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.